always make us proud. You're a role model for so many women. I just want to know first, Sudha ma'am, one name comes into her mind. Who's she? She was always a passionate person. Well, we see you always, whatever you're doing, you're so much into that.
Yes. Before I answer this, I want to ask you a question. What makes you proud about me?
When I see you as a woman, it's you have been the first lady who have actually make us, going on the big international platform, and the way you carry yourself, the confidence level,
Yeah.
the way you carry yourself, that attracts me a lot. And that a lady should, when she walks, people should see, oh, she's a lady with a lot of confidence. So that confidence catch me a lot. Eye catchy point.
Very good. Okay.
So
What do you think? How did I got that confidence?
that my question is.
Yes.
And I think this will actually inspire me and as other women also. So
Yes,
that I
for
wanted to know.
Sure, sure. Can we sit and have a
Please,
conversation?
please, ma'am.
Yeah. Where can we go?
First of all, the welcoming part was very nice.
Yeah.
The kind of positivity and the
Yes.
spirituality side of yours
This
I
is
can see.
more like a religious,
Yes.
religious and spirituality. Yeah, this is Ganesha,
Yes.
which is like my favorite
The
god and a
entry,
friend.
yes.
And this is Lord Balaji. This
Yes.
was recently gifted to Krishna on his birthday
Okay.
by all the home staff. They're so cute. They give such a beautiful
And
gift.
This education,
And,
we always need that. Her blessings.
Goddess Lakshmi, Saraswati, everything. And you can see fresh flowers. We always go for a fresh flowers to bring that positivity.
Yes.
I don't like artificial or plastic
This
things.
is, oh wow, yeah, I can see
Yes,
that. True.
every week we'll have fresh flowers installed at the home.
Because the entry was so much of positivity, I love that.
Thank
so
you
that's,
so
you have
much.
kept it.
Because you are a positive person, so that you
No,
can see.
I love this. It's God blessings in the entry. First you see the God.
Yes,
So it's
yes.
a very good way of maintaining that.
Thank you
I think
so
that
much.
goes to you.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
So come, ma'am.
So let's
We'll-
walk,
yeah.
let's sit relaxedly and have a conversation,
Yeah.
please.
But ma'am, when the white color, the vibration, and I've seen this, most of the icon, this lion.
Yes,
It
yes.
suits your
I will
personality.
explain you because
I was just watching
feel
that.
Humans are about everything. It's not just one personality. We have many personalities to show off.
Okay.
Okay, so you can see white as a peace,
Yes.
and the tiger as a wilderness.
Yes.
So
So most of the time you have used in your this.
Yes,
here,
yes, I
in
like
your background, the tigers.
Yes, yes. We start the day like a tiger
Yes.
and end the day like a dove.
So this was your favorite place? Like this is your guest area?
This is like party, relaxing, watching movie, all this.
Okay.
Come, let's sit and relax. It's a
So as we were talking about the confidence level, I loved about that,
yes,
So
yes.
you were just talking about from where you got. So I just want to know that. It was I think you're born with that.
I will say you my journey. Confidence is all about we achieve it during the progress of our life. See, as a child, I'm a fulfilled child with a good parents, good grandparents, and I was brought up with a very protective environment and with good morals and ethics.
Okay.
So automatically, I have crossed that standards of confidence level. So I have a very good foundation. So education, coming to the school, I used to go to a very basic school. It was not a luxury school, but the values were taught in a very beautiful way. So every line the teacher used to teach, they are very simple, but it used to go in my mind so well that I don't even feel like to write the exam and get a good score. I just used to come out as an average or above average student, but I'm keen about what I'm learning.
Very good point.
See, we all see the same blackboard, but what I see is different and what you see is different there.
True.
You know?
Yes.
So it's all about that thing. So once I finished my schooling, then I went to college.
Okay.
And I used to feel there, it's a big, huge college where there is undergrad program and 11th and 12th. I used to feel a little tense because I have chosen these biology and geology as my main subjects. So there are huge labs and everything. So I thought this is the second level of my education where I have to show and hard work. Here, not about the teaching of the teacher, where I have to put my own effort. Likewise, I learned something different because these 2 years, to be frank, my LKG to the 10th grade is what is the main foundation for me. So it's just a college life and everything. The behavior of the lecturers used to impress me, the behavior of the students, the behavior of the senior students, all these things. And then I has done my microbiology graduation undergrad program, and I think once I finished my second year, I got introduced to Krishna by my dad, and it was a sudden morning. It was a summer holidays. I was sleeping.
Okay.
He suddenly woke me up and he said, "There is one nice boy. You have to marry him." And then I
So
met to
sweet
Krishna.
girl.
So it all happened like a very sweet story, unplanned story, but a fairy tale, I can say that. So after I married to Krishna, I moved to Hyderabad, and
Earlier,
without
where were you staying? Most of your
I
time,
was
where you
born and brought up in Uyuru. It was in
Okay.
Krishna district,
Okay.
very close
Yeah,
to
yeah, just-
Vijayawada.
yeah. Okay.
So after that, I moved to Hyderabad. I thought I was a little kid who cannot handle anything. But I could able to handle everything better than any other person who is experienced person.
Great.
So I think that's where my confidence levels keep on growing. Okay, I don't even know how to cook rice by then. But now if you ask me to cook me a meal for 50 people, I can cook.
Wow.
So I think those are all small things we can easily learn. So then I got the kids. I have 2 boys, and
Yes.
Krishna has
You
grown
don't
up
look
so
like,
successful.
ma'am, the way you
So
have maintained.
Krishna has grown up a lot in his business.
Yes.
And I definitely feel we guide each other for sure. He encourages me in all what I want to do, and I advise him
That's a very important point.
at a very important situation or decision to be taken. But you might ask, do you go to MEIL every day? The answer for that is, I'm not a person, as you said, you can see the tiger and at a time a whole white finish. Because
Yeah.
I'm a person of, I realized with the age, I realized I'm a person of multi personalities. I cannot just portray as a one personality. That won't make me happiness. There are
Okay.
many qualities in me which I have to satisfy all those qualities. So I realized that. So I thought is MEIL is the right place for me to sit and manage everything. Does it gives me happiness? I thought no. But I have to work for it. I have a good connection with all the employees. I was connected with very few prestigious projects, with CSR projects. I know everything from top to bottom of the MEIL structure and everything, and I discuss with Krishna and all. At a time, you can ask me, whole time you will stay in this big estate. No, even that doesn't make me happy.
You're a free bird, like going
Yes,
around,
because
enjoying
as I
life.
said, I have multi
You're a life
personalities.
person.
Not only me, I think every person have a many personalities. Because of the circumstances or situations, they don't bring out all those personalities. Because of the responsibilities and all, because either you can be a working woman, we can just be a mother or housewife, just apart from 3. I realized if I am just a housewife and bringing up the kids, what is the difference between other women's life? No, I have to try and bring out all my interest out. I should give a shape to them. They should not hidden in me. So I thought, what is the right? I used to question myself a lot, where I used to find answers myself.
That's a very good point, that you
So-
ask question yourself.
Yes. At a time, I don't want to compromise on my motherhood because I love kids. I thoroughly want to enjoy bringing them up without the help. I might need the help of nannies,
Yes.
but not completely on them. I
That's a
have
very
to
good
feed
point.
them. I want to give them a sleep. I want to take